Hi bestie, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share simple and affordable beauty tips to make makeup less overwhelming. Today I'm going to show you how to get this simple everyday makeup look for college or for beginners. It's quick, super affordable and uses just a few products which you probably already have. Perfect if you're rushing in the morning or just starting your makeup journey. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my weekly beauty hacks. Before going ahead with any makeup, we need to do our skincare first. So we need to prep our skin at least 5 to 10 minutes before applying makeup. So I've already prepped my skin with this Pond's moisturizer and I've used the Foxtail sunscreen. After prepping your skin, you have an option just to ensure your makeup doesn't look too cakey and you need to get it done fast. So you can mix your foundation in your moisturizer and use it, or you could use a BB cream. You could use a light foundation if you have one, or you can go ahead and just use your concealer. So today I'm going to use the concealer, but before that I'm going to use this pore minimizer just to give a nice smooth base before I start the makeup. If you don't have the primer, it's totally optional, you can skip it. So let's begin with applying the primer. I'm just taking a little bit of primer and I'm applying it just to get an even base. Once that's done, we go ahead and start with the concealer. So this is the Fit Me concealer that I'm going to use. I'm going to apply a very small amount so that it doesn't look cakey and doesn't look too made up, because we are going for the everyday no makeup look. Just going to apply a little bit here under my eyes, a little bit here. Wherever there are any dark spots, you could apply it there. Just apply very little on the side of your mouth, the nose, and wherever you feel there are any dark spots. Now I'm going to just use my fingers to blend it. Whatever is remaining on my fingers and just rubbing it on my eyelids just to get a little bit of base for my eyelids. So I'm done with the concealer. Now let's use a loose powder. I'm using this HD loose finishing powder with a sponge. I'm going to use this sponge itself. Just going to take the excessive powder on my hands here so that I don't apply a lot of powder. Just going to remove it here. And then I'm going to apply it on my face. It will just help in absorbing all the oiliness and will give a matte finish for your skin. Next we'll use a blush. Blush instantly makes you look fresh and awake. If you don't have a blush, you can use a lipstick as a blush. I have the lip and cheek tint here from Swiss Beauty. I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to dab it on my cheeks. And I'm going to blend it. I'm going to dab it on my nose, on my chin, just to give a flush of color. And using a lipstick or a lip and cheek tint as a blush helps you save some money. It also keeps your makeup bag light. So that's a hack as well. Now let's go ahead and define our eyebrows. The eyebrows frame your face. So once you get your eyebrows done, it does a lot of difference to the way you look. I'm going to use a tinted brow gel from e.l.f. Cosmetic. It's in a brown color. I'm just going to apply it on my eyebrows. So the brow gel will help the eyebrows stay in place and also give a hint of color to it. So I'm just going to swipe it up like this, so it remains in place. Looks good as well. So you can look at the brows, they are lifted. Take a little bit of the lip and cheek tint that I had applied earlier and applied on my eyelids. Just a little bit, not too much. Should not look like you have applied anything over there, just to give a little bit of color. Next, I'm going to use the mascara for the eyelashes. A single coat of mascara does make a huge difference. It opens up your eyes and makes you look more presentable or put together. I'm not applying on my lower lash line, just applying on the upper lashes. I have another hack for you here. If you don't have a brow gel, you can use the mascara to fill up your brows. I'll just show you how you can do it. Here, you can just fill it up. You can see the difference. I'm just going to fill up the other side as well, otherwise it will look uneven. For lips, you can go for a tinted lip balm or something like a lip and cheek tint, which is not too bold. You can go for a nude lip color, or you can just go for a simple gloss. You have many glosses in the market these days which are not colored. You can also go for tinted ones. So you don't need bold colors for college. You can use them, you can save those for special events or for evenings. So then go with a nude lipstick. I'm going to go with a nude lipstick today. And that's it. Your everyday college or office look is just done in 4 to 5 steps and in just a few minutes. If you want to top it up and make your makeup even more lasting, you can use a setting spray. So I'm just going to put a setting spray right now. Let it dry and you're done. This whole look takes less than 10 minutes, makes you look natural, and is perfect for anyone who wants to look polished with not overdoing it. Makeup doesn't have to be complicated, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty. Tell me in the comments what's your one must-have makeup product for office or college. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who's just starting out with makeup. You can check out this video if you want to know how to get a natural makeup look using just 3 products. And don't forget to subscribe for simple budget-friendly beauty tips every week. See you in the next video. Bye!